Welcome to Chapter 6. Imagine asking someone for help fixing your house. They give you a perfect explanation of what to do, step by step, but they never actually pick up a hammer. That's where we were before AI tools. Up to this point, the system could think and describe, but it couldn't do. It could suggest how to fix a bug, like a mechanic explaining what's wrong with your car, but unless someone actually turns the wrench, nothing changes. The system was stuck in a loop of ideas, not actions. Tools change that. They are what allow the system to step out of its thinking world and interact with the real one. Think of tools like giving that mechanic actual access to your car. Now, instead of just talking, they can run diagnostics, replace a part, and see if the engine starts. Suddenly, their decisions have real consequences. This introduces a powerful cycle. The system decides what to do. It takes an action using a tool. It observes what actually happens.
It adjusts based on the result. It's like cooking a new recipe. You taste, adjust seasoning, taste again. Without tasting, you're just guessing. But this power comes with risk. In the system's mind, things are flexible and uncertain, like brainstorming ideas. In the real world, actions are exact. If you send the wrong email, delete the wrong file, or press the wrong button, the consequences are immediate and real. There's no almost correct. So, tools need structure structure and rules, like safety rails. Just because you can do something doesn't mean you should. Think of it like giving someone a toolbox. You don't hand over a chainsaw without instructions. And another big shift is how errors show up. Before tools, mistakes could sound convincing, like someone confidently giving wrong directions. With tools, mistakes become visible. A file doesn't open, a command fails, an error pops up. These stones are clear signals that something went wrong, but only if the system knows how to learn from them. And this is where things start to get interesting. But once the system has multiple possible actions, it faces a new challenge. What should I do next? Without structure, it might try random things, like someone pressing buttons, hoping something works. That's inefficient and unpredictable. What's missing is a plan. So here's the big picture. The system started as something that transforms text. Then it learned to iterate and improve over time. Then it entered a world where actions matter. And now, with tools, it can actually act in that world. It's no longer just thinking, it's doing. Because the moment a system can act, it becomes responsible for the outcome. It has to deal with success, failure, and consequences. It moves from sounding intelligent to actually behaving intelligently. Curious to know what the next step is. It has to do with learning how to organize those actions so they lead somewhere meaningful. There's interference, because action without direction is just noise, but with planning it becomes progress.